Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a common question that many developers face when working with Maven and Yum repositories. If you're a Java developer or work with Linux systems, you may have encountered issues with Maven versions and Yum repositories. Specifically, the question on everyone's mind is there a Yum repo for older Maven versions in this video? We'll dive into the details of Maven, Yum repositories, and explore the possibilities for using older Maven versions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to work with different Maven versions and Yum repositories. To answer this question, let's first understand what Maven is and its significance in the Java ecosystem. Maven is a build automation tool that helps manage project dependencies, builds, and testing. It's widely used in the industry for its simplicity and flexibility. Now, when it comes to Yum repositories, they are essentially package managers for Linux systems that allow you to easily install and update software packages. The relationship between Maven and Yum repositories arises from the fact that many Java projects rely on dependencies managed by Maven. However, these dependencies might not always be compatible with the latest version of Maven, or might require an older version to function correctly. This is where the question about Yum repos for older Maven versions comes into play. To address this issue, let's consider a few possible approaches. Firstly, you could use a different package manager like pip or npm that supports multiple versions of Maven. However, this would require significant changes to your project and might not be feasible in all cases. Another approach is to create a local repository for the specific Maven version required by your project. This involves setting up an internal artifact repository where you can host your own dependencies. While this approach provides more control over dependency management, it does add complexity to your infrastructure. Lastly, some Linux distributions provide archived repositories that include older versions of software packages. You can explore these archives to find the specific Maven version required by your project. To summarize, when working with Maven and Yum repositories, it's essential to consider compatibility between different versions. While there might not be a straightforward Yum repo for older Maven versions, you have alternatives like using different package managers or creating local repositories. Remember that each approach has its trade-offs in terms of complexity and feasibility. In managing dependencies across different Maven versions can be challenging, especially when working with Yum repositories. By understanding the options available to you, such as exploring archived repositories or creating local repositories, you can better navigate these complexities. We hope this video provided valuable insights into the world of Maven and Yum repositories. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to explore, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe for more content on software development and related technologies. Thank you for watching.